The soldiers were killed while trying to quell a clash between the Okuama and Okolobo communities in the state. Director Defense Information Brigadier General Tuku Gusau says those killed consist of 3 officers, while 12 others are of other ranks. They were part of a reinforcement team that was deployed to the area to address the clashes between the communities. Communities in the oil-rich Delta region and others in the northern part of the country have been clashing over compensation for spills by oil companies and land for grazing and farming. According to the National Security Tracker, more than 120 security personnel, including 67 soldiers and 31 police officers, were killed between October and December last year while trying to address different security concerns in the country. The authorities say some suspects have been arrested in connection with the killing of the soldiers in Delta State. They say steps have also been taken to unravel the motive behind the attack and have vowed not to be deterred in their quest to tackle crime and keep the country safe.
In a country where the welfare of the soldiers, the police, and other military agents are not taken care of, it is very unfortunate to hear that soldiers are being ambushed from the north to the south, from the east to the west. These people, for God's sake, are doing their best for Nigerians. Most of the problems we are having in Nigeria are not caused by the military, they are caused by the politician. I strictly condemn the killing of 16 soldiers in Delta State. Anyone who carried out the killing of a military personnel is definitely looking for trouble, because they are going to come after you. If they did not see you, there might be violence and they might injure somebody who did not do anything. So the innocent people will always suffer for it. But here is where the leadership comes in. And that is why we always talk about good leadership in the political offices. I read the response or the letter of Bola Ahmed Tinubu, the president. He said that the military should bring those people who killed those soldiers, they should bring them to book. That is wrong. Now, it is not the work of military, by the way, to go and settle dispute and all those things. What is police doing, for God's sake? This is, I don't really know, because in Nigeria, I don't know the work of police, the work of soldier. It has been defined by the constitution. Why are the soldiers doing the work of the police? I think police should carry investigation so that the innocent people will not die. Because if you ask soldiers to go into the village, they will raise down the village and do anything they could do. But let me tell you, people who kill the soldiers will not be in that village again. Just imagine if someone carried out crime and killed a soldier, and you expect the person to stay in the community and waiting for soldiers to come and do a reprisal attack? Absolutely no. So that is why we are condemning what Tinubu said or what Tinubu is doing, for asking the soldiers to go to the village and bring those people. Where are they going to see them, for God's sake? So the only people that will suffer, they are the innocent citizens from across Nigeria. It is so unfortunate, but soldiers are being killed every day. You cannot face other civilians who knows nothing about the incident that happened. So in my own opinion, I think the government should allow the DSS or the police to carry out a good investigation so that people who don't know anything about the killing of those soldiers will not suffer for it. So that is my humble appeal. May their soul rest in peace.